Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how it is possible to have $1,000 days in online business. For one thing, you got to position yourself. You got to go in as high as you can possibly go. If there are any products that you're selling, affiliate products that you're selling in your online business, you got to go as high as you possibly can. I joined an opportunity called Exitus Elite recently. And this opportunity, you can make up to $2,000 commissions. I came in at the $1,000 level, and I'm now qualified to make between $100 to $1,000 in commissions. And the reason why I did that is because I wanted a platform where I didn't have to bring in hundreds of people just to make really good money. I've also picked it because it's been around for 7 years. It's proven itself. The owner in Exitus Elite is always for the people who join, and he keeps his business running at high quality. And it's been around, I think this summer, it's going to be 8 years since it started. But all I have to say is everything about this opportunity is high quality. The training and the products. Exitus Elite was designed to help entrepreneurs build their businesses, and if you want to learn more about how to do that, this is a great opportunity. But I also liked it because of the high ticket commissions. Just getting like 4 or 5 new people in every month is $5,000. Just bringing in 3 would be $3,000 extra you would have. So it doesn't take a lot of people to come into this business, and you can make some really good life-changing income. Now, does that mean you can do this business without putting any work into it? Absolutely not. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick opportunity. They don't exist. You can make very good money in this business. There are many 6-figure earners in this business because of the high ticket commissions. But if you can't come into the G1000 level or higher, you can always come in at one of the lower levels. And the cool thing about that is when you come in at those levels, when you upgrade, you don't have to pay the full price of the next product that you're upgrading to. So so you don't get punished for bringing in. So you can use whatever commissions that you make to upgrade to the next level. I am at the G1000. At some point, I'm going to upgrade to the G2000 as well. So that's how you can make $1,000 days in Exitus Elite, the business that I promote. And if you want to learn more about it, the description is in the description. I'm sorry, I'm unscripted, guys. The link is in the description below, as well as all of my contact information. One thing about me, if you join me, I am accessible, so you can contact me. I love talking to people, and I love helping people as well. So definitely contact me. My Facebook link is in there as well, so send me a friend request. I'd like it if you do, because that way it gives us another place where we can meet up and do things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making a full presentation video about Exitus Elite. I'm going into more detail than I did in my original review video, now that I know more about Exitus Elite. And I'm really looking forward to putting that up for you guys. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might be in at the end of the video. You might see the link to it, so check that out. Make sure you like this video if you like it, and put a comment below, and hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell next to it, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. I hope to see you guys all soon, and I'm very excited about 2022 and the possibilities that I can really start taking my online business with Exitus Elite. So I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.